I don't floor it often, but when I do, I floor it. That wasn't a yield back there, was it? I'm too close to this guy. Back off a little. Let this asshole get... Yeah! Yeah, didn't see that coming, now did I? Nope. Nope, didn't see that at all.
Tomorrow morning, mainly cloudy in the afternoon, high 45. New Year's Eve
Exit dive.
night, and stay dry. Friday, New Year's Day.
Jug handle dive. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Hey, how's that yield working for you? You have your own lane, dum-dum. Graceful flow of age I went for. Exit dive. Good. And we have an exit dive. Exit regret.
In Maine, new measures are...
What the hell did you just do back there? Exit regret. You know where the hell you going, lady? Apparently not. We got next dive. Nice, nice. I hold you again. I feel the change. Hey, hello, you had a red light, red arrow. Well, why don't you pass, you deco-toad? Do you not see the blinkers on there, or what? You friggin' idiot. Block everybody. Yeah, hello, hello, hello. Are you blind? Nope, you're not supposed to be in that lane. JRM. Stop sign. Toyo turd. You're in the red. I live to tell the secret Stop sign. Idiot in red fusion. Hello? Hi? Toyo turd. Exit dive. Toyota turd. Oh, fuck you. You're in the right. You're in the red. Cycled way too fast, but, you know, they both ran it. Jeep Lula stop up there. Brandy used to watch his eyes. Brandy, that's a stop sign. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Glory. Let's go ahead, Cadillac, no problem. I was here first. Of course. Of course you were going to cut them off. Yeah! Oh, yeah. Jesus. Try not to hit me, you scumbag. Let's cut him off back there. I think he did. Zoom, thank you. Holy fuck. Hi. Race night on the Southeast Expressway. Is that another one? Whoops. Hey, no one's there, don't I? Yep. Ram hole. Can you wait till he's out of the fucking lane?